The Hat Maker and the Chimps, written by Adam Gillane.
Mr. Baba was a hat maker. He made lots of hats. He made tall hats and flat hats. He made big hats and little hats. Mr. Baba was the best hat maker around. Every week, Mr. Baba went to market to sell the hats. It was a long way to go on a hot day. One day, Mr. Baba was sleepy. He had a rest under a tree and fell asleep. Then some big chimps came down and took all the hats. Mr. Baba woke up. "Give me back my hats!" he cried. He wagged a finger at the chimps. The chimps wagged a finger back at him. Mr. Baba threw sticks at the chimps. They threw sticks back. In the end, he was so cross he threw down his hat. And so did the chimps. Mr. Baba was very happy. "Chimps are very silly," he said to himself. He told the story to the people at the market. "Good trick!" they told him. "You are very clever, Mr. Baba." That night, Mr. Baba told the story to his boy, Asad. Asad said, "Good trick, Dad." The next week, Asad went to market to sell the hats. Like his dad, Asad had taken a rest and fell asleep under a tree. Asad woke up and saw some little chimps had the hats. "My dad told me about this," he said to himself. He threw down his hat. But the little chimps stood still. Again, Asad threw down his hat. "Go on, chimps," he said. "Throw down my hats." But still the little chimps kept the hats. Asad gave up. "My dad told me that trick," he said. "But maybe the little chimps' dads told them the trick too. They are too clever for me."